Hi, you're out there looking for a new career and that's why you're watching this video. Ever wonder how people make 6 to 7 figures without an education or a degree? It is possible. You just need to find out the ways, and I'm going to share those ways with you. Whether you're in the USA or Canada, you've experienced a myriad of issues, whether it's related to pandemic, job loss, the recession that's coming about, the amount of layoffs that happen. Or what if you got used to working from home and you want to continue that and be your own boss and own your own time? You can. There are possibilities out there if you search them out where you can get a license or two and be able to run a 6 to 7 figure income business from your home. So now you're wondering, what do? We do a lot of things. We help you manage your debt. We help you save for retirement and your children's college education. We also, with the help of financial advisors, do tactical investing. And we secure your future whether you have a disability or a debt, so your family won't be left out on the streets. Again, you don't have to be experienced. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have a degree. You just have to have a license or two. And you have to be able to have an ambition to hit your goals and targets. We provide you the coaching, the mentorship that you need to be successful, giving you a 90-day program where every week we get on a coaching call with you and provide you with tools and training you need to be successful and hit your goal of having a 6 to 7 figure income in this industry. I challenge you to give us a call and get started on your journey to a new career that gives you the respect, the freedom of time, and the income that you deserve.